Hey everybody, Magno Borgo here. Let's see how we can install KMFX scripts inside Sealet 2021. It has become very easy to do it because there's a new feature that will allow us to install external script folders. So first you should download the code. Just click code, download zip, then locate the folder on your computer. Then you extract the zip file, remove the dashes from the path, okay? Because this can make it not work. Let's open up Sealet. And now we'll come here to the preferences. We have scripting, and now we have enable external scripts, turn it on. And then you simply click on the plus button and you locate the folder on your disk and select the folder. So it's very simple. For me, it's temp test KMFX scripts main. The name of the folders really doesn't matter. It's just that you need to add this external script path. Then you hit OK and restart Sealet. Now, when you open Sealet, you should see the KMFX menu here. And now you can see here on the console, if the console is closed, you can enable it here on Window, Console, and it will show you the loaded scripts. And you also have KMFX preferences here on the preferences. So yeah, Sealet 2021 has a very easy way to install scripts. And that's it.